Securing the future of Social Security disability insurance? Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the disability help book, The Social Security Disability Puzzle: How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. If you're nervous about the Social Security Disability Program and how it's going to work in the future, you're not the only one. Recently, a subcommittee of the House of Representatives held the last in a series of hearings about the future of the Social Security Disability Insurance system. They asked academic and business researchers, a director of public policy, and a witness from the Government Accountability Office Social Security disability questions. So what came out of these hearings? Well, no real changes have been made to the Social Security disability system, but there are some alarming trends. Two researchers basically argued that the rules needed to be changed because they believe that many of the people who are currently listed as disabled could work if they wanted to. These researchers say that they just aren't working because they're getting money for doing nothing. In short, they say that some Social Security disability claimants are lazy. Talk like that is offensive to many people whose very lives depend on their disability benefits. But it's not surprising that some people on the fringe have this opinion. What's more disturbing is that the witness from the government's own accountability office said that they supported changing the criteria to be labeled disabled, so that it's more about how people function in the world rather than their medical diagnosis. Why is this so bad? Because while medical diagnoses are based on facts and evidence, opinions on how you function are just that, opinions. They are highly subjective, and even the GAO witness basically said that giving them more weight would make rulings less consistent. In plain English, that means when two people have exactly the same condition, one might get full benefits, while the other person receives nothing. The lone voice of reason came from the Government Public Policy Office. Marty Ford spoke about improving the way Social Security disability insurance works instead of trying to blow it up. Her completely reasonable suggestions included making sure that the Social Security Administration has the resources they need in money and personnel to do their job, loosening eligibility requirements and maintaining or even expanding the health care so that many people receiving disability benefits can find jobs. And finally, by not putting time limits on benefits and eligibility. Her suggestions don't answer all the Social Security questions and fears people have, but they could solve a lot of the problems. If you have more Social Security disability questions, check out my free ebook, The Social Security Disability Puzzle: How to Fit the Pieces Together and Win Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular Social Security disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.